All right, guys, if you're watching this video today, this is a 2015 Land Rover Supercharged, and what we're dealing with today is, so we have this inlet manifold suppressor. This goes on the back side, connects to the supercharger. This hose that you see right here that's dangling has cracked, causing the vehicle to have misfires, run rough, and stall at times. Then also in this package right here, we have a thermostat. What happened was, letting it sit over time, she went to go start it and it cracked right here and split open. And so right now, there's no coolant in the vehicle. So I have to top the system off, bleed the system. We need to get this part put on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the cowl and see if I can get in there without having to remove the supercharger. But if you wanna know how to remove the supercharger, I have a video. I will try to put the link in the video so that way y'all can watch how to remove it, just in case y'all gotta replace some pieces like this that run underneath the intake. It's another crossover pipe, but that is for another video. So we're just gonna try to tackle what we have right here, and I'm gonna show you how to replace this part and replace the thermostat housing. All right, so let me get the cowl off and let's see how much more room and visibility we have so that we can put this inlet manifold suppressor on. So this is also on the Jaguars as well. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so we got the inlet manifold suppressor off. As you can see, like tape on there where it broke. That piece just came right off. Again, this is located, let's get back there and let me show you. Get the light on there so you can see down in there. Back down in there, right behind it. So you got a few torque bolts that you need to take out, and you got this bracket right here, bracket over there, there's another bracket over there. So what we're gonna do, we'll get this piece installed back there, and then I will tackle this thermostat once I get all this back together. Okay, so let's get that part back down in there and install. All right, guys, so got it back in there. I'm all over the supercharger, so that's where it's at, in between the wire harness back there. Got that hose back connected, so just be careful fishing it in there, that way you don't break it trying to get it up in there. We just gotta put it on the brackets down there and then connect that bracket back, and then we can start putting everything back on, like the brackets and then the front cowl, and that'll be about it. And then we can jump over to the thermostat, which is down there. So we'll replace that next. So yeah, guys, that's what we're looking at. All right, everyone, so we have installed our inlet manifold suppressor on the back side of the supercharger. I'm gonna say install time, about 2.5 hours, because you got to remove the cowl, those braces, some lines, some brackets, and then you got to fish it out of there. Then you got to be careful putting this back in there, that way you don't hurt this hose, because this hose got to go in a little curve and mount to the supercharger. Once that's bolted back up, then you can go in reverse order and put everything back on, like your brackets, your braces, your cowl, your windshield wipers. And then if that's all you're doing, you can start it up, see how it's running. But like I told you, this had a vacuum leak, which caused a misfire, rough idle, stalling. So I won't be able to start it tonight. I will be making another video on how to install the thermostat housing, so stay tuned for that video. And I appreciate y'all watching. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it, and stay tuned for part 2.